When your lizard is all painted and he's ready for his face, ideally he will be dry when you're doing this. But just in case he's not, that's okay too. The glue will still work. What we're going to use are some sequins and some googly eyes to give him some character. And you could paint them on if you wanted to, but if you have the googly eyes and the sequins, that makes it a little bit more fun. So what we'll do is we'll add a couple pieces underneath with a dot of glue. I want to find kind of a flat surface for those eyes, and then we'll add the googly part of them with another dot of glue. And if they don't stay, it's okay. We're going to just turn them over to dry. So sometimes they slip a little bit on the surface. Perfect. And then maybe he needs a little bit of a nose and a lizard tongue. So we'll give him a nose with a small sequins. And you could do a tongue out of construction paper or a pipe cleaner, or you could leave him just as he is.